Fish audio emotion tags are the most underrated feature in AI voice generation. They let you control exactly how your AI voice sounds. Whisper, gasp, excited, angry, sarcastic, and unlimited custom expressions. Here is the complete masterclass. Most TTS tools give you flat, monotone output. 11 Labs gives you 6 fixed emotions. Fish Audio gives you unlimited bracket tags. You write whisper in brackets, and the voice whispers. You write excited, and the voice gets excited. You write pause, and it pauses. This is not a preset list. You can express anything. Let me show you the core tags every creator needs. Bracket whisper close bracket. For intimate narration, ASMR style, secrets. Bracket gasp close bracket. For surprise reveals, plot twists, dramatic moments. Bracket chuckle close bracket. For casual conversation, friendly tone, warmth. Bracket excited close bracket. For announcements, launches, high energy content. Bracket serious close bracket. For professional narration, tutorials, corporate content. Bracket sarcastic close bracket. For comedy, commentary, personality. Bracket pause close bracket. For natural speech rhythm. Pauses between sentences. Bracket slow close bracket. For emphasis, important points, dramatic delivery. Bracket fast close bracket. For urgency, excitement, rapid fire information. But here is the real power. You are not limited to these. You can stack them. Bracket whisper then excited close bracket. That gives you an excited whisper. Imagine a secret that you are thrilled to share. Bracket serious then slow close bracket. That gives you a slow, deliberate, authoritative tone. Perfect for important warnings or legal disclaimers. Bracket chuckle then sarcastic close bracket. That creates a sarcastic laugh. The kind of tone you use when making fun of something. You can also create completely custom expressions. Bracket like you just won the lottery close bracket. Bracket like you are reading a bedtime story close bracket. Bracket like you just saw a ghost close bracket. Fish Audio S2.1 Pro understands natural language descriptions of emotion. You do not need to memorize a list. Just describe how you want it to sound. Here is my recommended workflow. Step 1. Write your script without any tags first. Get the content right. Step 2. Read it out loud yourself. Where do you naturally pause? Where does your voice go up? Where do you slow down for emphasis? Step 3. Add bracket tags at those natural points. Do not overdo it. 1 tag per sentence or 2 is usually enough. Step 4. Generate the audio. Step 5. Listen. Adjust tags. Regenerate. You will be surprised how quickly you develop an instinct for it. Let me give you a real example. Here is a flat script. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you something incredible. You will not believe what happens next. That sounds okay but flat. Now with tags. Bracket warm close bracket. Welcome to my channel. Bracket excited close bracket. Today I am going to show you something incredible. Bracket whisper close bracket. You will not believe what happens next. Completely different. The first version sounds like a robot. The second sounds like a real person drawing you in. The pro tip. Combine emotion tags with strategic pauses. Bracket warm close bracket. Welcome to my channel. Bracket pause close bracket. Today I am going to show you something incredible. Bracket pause close bracket. You will not believe what happens next. The pauses create suspense. The audience leans in. This level of control is what separates amateur AI voiceovers from professional ones. Fish Audio emotion tags. Your secret weapon for voiceovers that actually sound human. Try them free with the link in the description. 8,000 free credits per month. Master the tags. Sound like a pro.